That's all he's trying to do. Come on, get in front.
Oh, he's so in front.
You gotta walk it.
Walk it! Walk it! Oh! Oh! Walk it! Oh!
All the way.
I need you. I love you. I need you. I love you.
Okay, so everybody is ready. My sister is coming in a little bit. She's just sending her streaks, if you guys know what that is. Kevin, we're gonna go pick up in a second. Then we're gonna head to the mall. We're gonna chill there for a little bit around until like 3 o'clock, 4-ish. Okay, that just fell on me. You made it, Kev. You ready? How much money did you bring?
$20.
Guys, bro, about 26.
Nah. It's a hacky sack.
Yeah, try it. Alright, let's go find the hacky sack.
Duh.
How did we not see that before?
Oh, let's go. Oh, duh.
How did we not see that? Alright, what's going on, guys? Welcome to the vlog. We got a new guy to the vlog. You'll be seeing him quite often now. So this is Jack. He's our new freshman. This is Kevin, always barging in the spots. But Jack's new. We got Trevor over. We don't got Trevor. We got Alec over here. Say what's up, Alec.
What's up?
And we're just chilling here. Trevor's here. We got the whole gang here. Yeah.
I got a quick thing to say.
Ow.
So,
Stop.
oh my head. Can you guys shut up?
Josh.
Guys, shut up!
Oh my god.
I have nothing actually else here.
Okay, so tomorrow we have our competition. Right now we're gonna just be chilling. We're gonna watch our legendary movie. What's the movie called?
North Shore. Yeah, I think the Brazilians. They're great in small ways. I like their attitude.
Dude, Josh is a racist.
Okay.
Clickbait and thumbnail. Josh is racist, goes to jail.
It could be like a thing of me like punching Kevin in the face. If I flex for the thumbnail, we get a lot of views.
Oh, because you're small.
Alright, what time is it, Kevin?
Too early.
It's way too early. It's like 5 a.m. guys. We're getting ready. We're chilling. Right now we're figuring out the breakfast situation. We got Alec here. Say what's up.
What's up?
Are you ready?
Yeah, I'm pumped.
So yeah, it's the next morning. It's, I don't know, 5 a.m., 5:40, something like that. We gotta be there around like 6:30 because our first competition's around like 7:15, I'm pretty sure. Alright guys, so we finally made it to the beach. With already 2 comps went by, I'm pretty sure, or two heats. 2 heats have gone by.
Yeah.
We got Jack here filming. He's been taking some sick photos. We're gonna go ahead and cue some cinematics, yeah?
Yeah.
I think we should just cue some cinematics. Alright.
Cue the cinematics.
And
3, 2, 1.
we found a cave. Josh, go inside!
Is there room for 2?
It's huge! Say what's up, Josh.
Hey. Dude, that's actually so lit. There's Alex. Idiot gets stuck in cave. Clearly, I'm not the idiot, though.
Dot goes cave hunting.
That's all I find it. Come on, get in front.
Oh, he's so in front.
Walk it.
Walk it!
Walk it.
Oh! Oh! Walk it! Oh, man. What? No! Oh! Make a trail.
Yeah.
They start eating here and they can keep their distance.
Yeah.
You right up on the dawn right there. Whack! Almost, not yet.
Dude, I got the mic too.
Side.
Dude, I swear to God, if there's poop on these.
It stood on him. Oh, it did. I felt it. And he
Okay. Okay, so we stayed. We're in the car right now. We're gonna go get some donuts. We're all freezing right now, huh, boys?
so good.
Hey.
Josh is freaking cruising the comp. Alex cruising the comp. They're not up till like 11:30 right now. It's like 8:15. We're gonna go get some donuts because we are hungry, and that's gonna be our dinner and our lunch. And yeah. Josh,
I moved my foot and it was burning.
how do you feel about this donut place?
It's kind of sketch.
It's only scheduled 2000.
Josh is going shirtless for all the ladies. Ladies, check that out.
Oh,
Josh, here's your pop tag. Ready?
Too bad he's.
Where's my pop tag?
Wait, can I get a pop tag?
Yeah, sure.
Yeah, tap right here.
They can't tap, bro, but they can search it up. Okay, that's it for today's vlog. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget, leave a like and subscribe down below. I'm gonna start doing vlogs a little bit more. I'm sorry that I haven't been posted in a while. This vlog was actually turned out pretty well. Song for the edit, shout out to Kem Fuchsa. Couple of the clips also in the edit was by Jack Fisher. Shout out to him as well. Hope you guys enjoyed the vlog, and I'll see you guys next time. Peace.